Morning, guys. So some of you looked a bit confused the other day when I went through a compass rose, the 16-point compass rose. So I thought I'd put a quick video together just to explain that again, because I don't actually have more class time for this. You start off with your basic cardinal points, and those are north, south, east, and west. Now, there's many ways of knowing that. You can remember it: never eat silkworms, naughty elephant spray water. Some guys go as far as to say never ever smoke weed, or never ever slap women. The important thing is that you remember it. Please don't learn it with news, which is N-E-W-S, spells news. Because when you're rushing in a test, what you're going to do is you're going to go N-E-W-S. And if you're not concentrating, you're going to leave it that way, and you won't get the marks. And it's easy to get marks for this. So those are your cardinal points. I then take those cardinal points and I'm going to divide them in half. I then find that I'm now in the middle between north and east, or in the middle between south and east. Now those are known as midpoints because they're in the middle. So I have northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. They're in the middle and they're known as midpoints. Now notice that north and south are written first. Northwest, southeast, southwest. They're written first, north and south, because those are the most important points on a compass. If I take those midpoints and I divide them again, I then get intercardinal points. And this is when things get a little bit messy, but if you count it out, you should have 16 points on your compass rose. Now those again are called intercardinal points, as they intersect my cardinal points. Now, if I start at northeast and I move towards north, that's the direction that I'm going to be going. So if I start at northeast and I'm moving towards north, you could then say that you are north of northeast. And you're going to take that of out, leaving north, northeast. I'm north of northeast. Take the of out, north, northeast. If I go below that, from northeast, if I'm going towards east, if I'm found here, I'm east of northeast. Again, take the of out, and you get east, northeast. Now you need to apply that to each one of the quadrants, starting at the midpoint, and then decide which side are you. I'm at southeast, and I'm going towards east, so I'm east of southeast. I'm at southeast, and I'm now going towards south. So I am south of southeast. What I'm doing each time is I'm taking the of out. So I'm left with east, southeast, and south, southeast. If I do the same thing over here by southwest, I'm going to speed this up a bit. I'm going towards south, so it's south, southwest. Southwest going towards west, I'm west of southwest. By northwest, if I go this way, I'm towards west of northwest. If I'm going that way, I'm towards north of northwest. And I have 16 points. What you need to remember? Cardinal points. Never eat silkworms. Remember it any way that you want. Midpoints are in between the middle of my cardinal points. Then I have intercardinal points that have 3 letters. North, northeast, or east, northeast. Some people want to refer to a midpoint as an intercardinal point, and they can, but in my class, we're only going to be referring to a midpoint, as it's in the middle. Please remember that when you abbreviate in your test, that you need to use capitals, and the big one is east. I won't notice with north, south, and west, but when you abbreviate and you use a small e, you won't get the mark, because it means something different. Use a ruler, make it neat, and hopefully you got better handwriting than I do. Good luck in your test.